Hey my dear friends, I'm making this video to teach you how to make money without any risks, without any prepayments, so on and so forth. All you need to do is register for free with Printify. Yes, this is a print-on-demand platform that makes it super easy to launch your own business with zero upfront investment. And yes, I will show you how it works from inside. I will show you the features. Everything is going to be in this video. And traditionally, I ask you to check out the description box below this video for all the important information so you don't miss out on all the details. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you still didn't do it. Let's go. It works pretty easy. 4 steps that are described right on their website, but I will show you how it works from inside the dashboard. So yes, you need to choose one of the 1000 top quality products. Then you create or design, you publish it on the trading platform. Of course, it can be an Amazon, it can be Shopify platform, eBay, Etsy, TikTok shop, so on and so forth. And you can make money risk-free. Yes, once you make a sale, print providers take care of order fulfillment while you focus on marketing, designing, and making that cash. And only the moment when you get a placement of the order, you need to get involved and pay. Yes, your next bestseller waits. As you can see, the variety of goods and things that you can print your design, your own saying, words, sentences, so on and so forth is tremendous. Kids clothing, posters, mugs, bags, stickers, candles, so on and so forth. If you are a fan of stickers to put it around, yes, please choose that one for you. And you can choose, you can calculate your monthly earnings with the calculator here on the website. So let's, for example, pick up phone case, right? And I want to sell that phone case for $30, and daily sales, for example, 1 a day. But if I have 4 or 5 a day, my monthly earnings could be $3,000. That's pretty cool. And yes, let's go deeper. Yes, here I can manage my store. I can add a new store. I have a dashboard, whatever is happening, all the statistics, all the first products that I have, notifications, catalog, my products, my orders, wallet, inside store settings, branding, so on and so forth. But from the catalog, what we can choose from, let's decide. Let it be, what about socks? Let's create my first product. So, cushioned crew socks. View all socks catalog. Wow, so here I can find exactly what I want. Okay, sublimation sock, cushion socks, recycled poly socks, screw socks, mid-length socks, and sublimation crew socks. Okay, let's choose something pretty this one. Let's choose this one. So it is very convenient. I know all this 95% polyester, 5% spandex. Okay, I like it. Let's start designing. Yes, so front leg, front right leg, front back leg, and back right leg. So front leg, front left back leg. What I can do here is I can add a text at my library, graphics. So for example, I love America is gonna be placed somewhere here, right? And I can have some other, or I can have the templates to choose from, but I can also add the text. Let it be handwriting mock-up, sheriff, yes, and this one. Love you And yes, let's choose this one. So what else is available here? You can choose the variants, so on and so forth. But yes, I can tilt it like this and place it like this. So yes, as you can see, you can place any element, you can delete it, you can modify, you can choose the templates, the graphics, many stuff. And let's save the product and publish the product. Yes, and you choose a sales channel to continue. Let's try this. And yes, you can type in the store name, socks cool, and the country. Let's choose for now Boston and Herzegovina. Let's go first with that and see what's happening. And yes, you choose the theme of your website, for example this, and then you launch your store. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you good luck with starting your own business, the business that will make difference and that will bring you money. Bye bye, take care, see you.